Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another really fun nail design. I'm going to be doing the trendy swirly nail art, and I'm going to be using some really cool gel polish that I got from Gershion. I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what I got from Gershion, you guys. I got this really bomb nail kit, gel polish kit. As you guys can see, it comes with 23 colors. It does include a matte top coat, a base coat, and also a top coat as well. And you guys, I believe this is only under $20. Okay, I'm going to have a link down below for you guys. I don't know if this exact kit is still in stock. If it isn't, I'm going to link something really similar, pretty much the same bomb colors, just I think the other one has like some glitter in it. And I'm also going to put a nice discount code down below for you guys. So yeah, you guys can get all of these polishes for the low. And right now I'm just showing you guys some of the colors that come in the kit. This is great for summer nail designs. I'm just really excited to have it. So these are the colors I'm going to be using to create my nail design today. And you guys know when I do nail art, I just use this top that went to like one of my old candles. I've been using it for like over a year now. It works perfectly fine. I just clean it and there we go. So I'm going to be using these nails by Model Ones. I think I might have used these like one time before. I completely forgot about them, but I was like, let me pull these out. They're just like some coffin shaped nails, and they're like medium length. So I went ahead and painted them with a nude color off camera. This polish did not come with the kit, but I'll have it linked below. So I'm going to be going in with the blue color first, and I'm just going to start drawing some lines. For these type of designs, I mean, you can, but it looks better when each nail looks different. So I'm going to be drawing a different nail design on each nail. You guys, you have to have a lot of patience for this and a pretty steady hand because this took me a minute, but I love the way it came out. I'm still using my nail art brush from Born Pretty.
You know what they say, age it come with wisdom. I'm learning every day not to pay attention, cause I got bills on bills, so much money to be made. I got generational curses that I can't break. Too much pressure on me, too much I don't wanna change. See, everybody's trying to make a way, but I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Yeah, I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad, bad. No, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. Oh, no, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. I've been busy for no reason. Take a break when I feel I had no meaning. Mama on my line, praying for better days. Telling me go on and put it all away, cause I got bills on bills, so much money to be made. I got generational curses that I can't break. Too much pressure on me, too much I don't wanna change. See, everybody's trying to make a way, but I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Yeah, I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. It ain't all bad. No, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. Oh, no, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. Yeah, we reflect on the past times. Suddenly, everything becomes a memory. Yeah, it's all bad, but it could be worse. Count your blessings, go to church. What's a saint to a sinner? But I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Yeah, I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. I try to tell myself that it ain't all bad. Bad. No, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad. Oh, no, it ain't bad, bad, bad. No, can't be that bad, bad, bad.
Can we just talk about the pigmentation of these polishes, you guys? I'm so impressed. I'm not sure why I haven't tried Gershion sooner. It's so affordable and the color payoff is just great. Of course, you guys can see I'm only doing one coat and the nails are popping. And I'm just so excited to have so many new colors in my collection because you guys know when I go buy polish, it's the basics. It's the pinks, the nudes, the whites, some black, the basics. But Gershion came through for your girl and provided me with such pretty summer colors. So I'm excited to share with you guys, and the pigmentation is there, just quality, and it's affordable. Very excited about this. So yeah, I'm going to keep going, but absolutely loving how these nails are coming out.
Busy for no reason. Take a break when I feel I had no meaning. Mama on my line, praying for better days. Telling me go on and put it all away. Cause I got bills on bills, so much money to be made. I got generational curses that I can't break. Too much pressure on me, too much I don't wanna change. See everybody's trying to make way, but I try to tell.
And these are what the nails are looking like after I painted them. So I'm going to go in with the top coat that came along with the kit. This top coat has great shine. I'm loving it so far, but I'm going to keep on using it to let you guys know how I really feel about it. But so far so good. The nails were super shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you guys how I apply my press-ons. I've showed this before. I did a dedicated video a while ago, but I still get questions, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in this video. So of course I go ahead and push my cuticles back. I think the key to getting your nails to last with press-ons is to have good nail prep. I don't have the best, but what I do works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and push it back, and then you also want to go ahead and rough up the nail as well. You don't want to use 100 grit file. This one's 150, which is safe enough for the natural nail. So I'm going to go ahead and buff the shine off my nails. And usually I would use the e-file for this, but I want to use things that you guys have access to. So I'm going to go in with my nail primer and dehydrator by Macart. I'm not recommending it to you guys. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't like it. I don't like it at all, but it's what I have, so that's what I'm going to work with for now. So I'm going to go in with my favorite glue. Well, I thought I was going with my favorite glue, but it was actually empty, so I'm going to be using this Kiss glue. Both glues will be linked down below. Kiss to me has just been the best for applying nails, so yeah, I'll have them both linked down below for you guys. And what I do is I apply a really generous amount onto the nail, and then I hold it down for like 10 seconds to make sure the nail is not going anywhere. And I'm not stingy with the glue, as you guys can see. Listen, I need these nails to stay. I don't want them falling on the ground or anything. And especially because I don't have my Young Nails protein bonds, so I got to do what I got to do. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. Really basic, but this works for me. My nails last like 2 weeks like this. And this is the final look, you guys. I love the way these nails came out. Guys, look at these colors. Just bomb. You guys go ahead and check out Gershion. I will have everything linked below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.